Hello everyone, today I will show you how to download WAMP server on Windows. First, open your web browser and in the address bar type wampserver.com/in/ and press enter. You will be taken to the official WAMP server website. Once the page loads, scroll down until you see the download options. Click on WAMP server 64 bits, which is the version most users will need since most modern computers use 64-bit Windows. When you click the link, a new window will open asking you to fill out a form. You do not need to complete this form. Instead, click on the small text at the top that says, "You can download it directly." This will take you to the SourceForge website, which is the official host for WAMP server downloads. After a few seconds, your download will start automatically. The file size is a few hundred megabytes, so depending on your internet connection, the download may take a few minutes. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and find the WAMP server setup file. Right-click the installer and select Run as Administrator to make sure the setup runs properly. When the installation wizard appears, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Accept the license agreement, choose your preferred installation location, and proceed through the setup steps. Your WAMP server is now ready to use for running and testing local web projects on your Windows PC. Thanks for watching.